should not see this, only you should smell it. What's that?
Salted fish.
You eat this one?
No.
You eat?
No, no, no.
Why? The smell is bad.
Yeah, it's okay. The smell is enough to run away.
Honey, it's like herring.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Tara.
Yeah, all dried fish. Dried fish as far as you can see. Free double plastic.
Yummy.
Thank you.